Hi everyone, this is Hannah.
And today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this Valentine heart box. So this is how it looks like. And you got these pieces. This is the basic part that to build the box that you need to cut it 2 times. And this is the layering piece on top, so you also need to cut this piece 2 times to make the layering piece. Or you could also have another choice that you could cut this heart plate. If you want to cut this one, you need to put these two together and run through the machine to have this pattern out. So you could make 2 patterns with this box. And this is to make the size, and this pattern is also to make the size. So it's like this. And this is to make the top lid of your box. And this is the heart closure. So this is how this cutting die built.
So let's start it. And these are the cutout. I cut these 2 pieces and this one time. And then the layering piece, both 2 pieces. And I also cut this heart lock 2 pieces. So it will be more sturdy as a lock. And because these are the front side and back side, and so I trimmed this part off. Because this is an extra, and you could also like this just stick this part on this place so it will not see, but it will make this part a little thick to close the box. So just trim this off. I think it would be better. And now stick this layering piece on top. And now stick this piece on top of this part. Make sure you line it up well. So just add glue at this top part. Okay, now fold all these folding lines. And for this part here, just fold it like this way. And also like so. So you could create an angle here. See, it's like this. And then do the same to this part also. Okay, now stick these 2 parts together. So it will line up like this. See, you need to add glue on this part and this part. And also did the same on this part. And now close this part and add glue here. And close the bottom piece. So the bottom part is okay. And now close it like this way, because you need to put it a little with a little strength, so you would know where to glue the heart lock. So this is the place. And if you use hot glue, then you can glue it. Just use hot glue to glue it here. But if you use the glue, then you need to make a mark so you will know where to put. So see, the lock should be in this place. So the lock should be in this place. So you could do a mark here. So you will know where to put your, see, like this. This is place to put your glue here. Okay, now let's try first to see if it fits the perfect place. Yes, and now we can add a second layer on top, so it could be more sturdy. So when it closed, it will look like this. Then you could decorate your box. So see this part, it looks like, and then you could also add a ribbon here. Okay, so now I add a ribbon here. And then you could add embellishment to decorate it. So I add in this cute snail here, and I also add this flat bow here. I think it's so cute that adding on this way. So it will look like this. I think it's very cute, right? And you could also use the Happy Mail words on top. Let me see. Like this, open me. Or use the Happy Mail words, you could cut it. And just make it shape a little better. See, like so. Yeah. And you could add a happy mail on top. Just ignore this snail, and you could add a happy mail on top. I think it's super fun. So this is the tutorial for today. Hope you like this, and if you have any questions, please just let me know. And so thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.